I just had a bad idea that I might do. I really want to go on an adventure today. I really want to go up to Loboc. It's raining a lot though, I'll show you. Huh. Yep, let's do it. This is a 2-day trip. We can only bring the essentials. Peanuts, camera gear, cool hat, waterproof thing. Water, more water. We have consolidated. I found an awesome spot right on the river that I'm really excited about. From there, I can stay the night on the river, and then I'm much closer to the Tarsiers and the Chocolate Hills than if you did the day tour from here. Loading up. Full, please. How do you say full in Bisaya?
Puno.
Uno.
Puno.
Puno.
Faster. Puno.
Puno.
Puno. Yes.
Fast.
P-U-N-O.
Let's see. Pila. 140. Okay.
2 liters.
140.
140.
Okay.
Do you have channel, sir?
Do I have how much?
Do you have channel in YouTube?
Yeah. It's called Travel Escapes. Do you want the card? You can have that card.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jonathan, escape.
Yeah, the YouTube is Travel Escapes.
Travel escape. Monkey?
Yeah, the picture's me and a monkey. Yeah, that's it. Awesome.
I want to show my face in your vlog. Hi.
Hi. And what was your name?
Mark Paul.
Mark Paul.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. All right, well, nice to meet both of you. Thank you very much.
Sir.
I'm going to Loboc.
Loboc, yeah.
Yeah, this will be the Loboc video. Ayo.
Ayo. Sir. Amping.
Amping.
Thank you.
Thank you. How do you say a little rain?
Alexic.
You're a good teacher. You could be like a Bisaya teacher. We've got a little Talexic, a little bit of rain, but hopefully there's not much. All right, I'm getting on the road. Ayo. Have a good day. All right, let's go. Now we need to eat. You said hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Hi, my own bungtag.
Guapa lagi kuari buang.
Guapa? I understand guapa. Eat log. Sorry. Eat log. Eat log.
Not ilog. Is ko naman una kuari buang ga. Ilog is
Eat log.
unsapa.
Unsapa. What is unsapa?
What else?
What else? Nothing else. All right, we are finally ready to get on the road. It says 53 minutes. I drive like a turtle. It's gonna be longer than that. I think it's 1:30 p.m. right now. Got water, gas, money. I think that's it. Let's go. If you come here, get a motorcycle, get a scooter, get something, and just explore this beautiful country. I'm taking the slow, scenic route. I'm gonna stop if I see anything exciting. There's a lot of chickens over here. This isn't where I'm going. I just stopped along the way because this spot looks cool. It's right on the water and the tide's out. I'm not going to drink and drive. Beach house. Beach house.
The name of this place was Beach House and the name of the stall was Muni.
Oh, okay. Ah, very cool. What was your name?
Ken.
Ken?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Ken. So do you work at Mooney?
Yeah, I work at Muni.
Okay, are you the bartender here?
Trainee bartender.
Training bartender. Ah, very cool. This would be a perfect spot to stop and have a drink or some food. This is awesome. Oh, you can go up there? Wow. All right, let's go out there. This is why you rent a scooter and drive. You can stop at places like this along the way. That's so cool. At my angle, I've got this perfect reflection on the water of the clouds. It's almost like that in Bolivia. You have the salt flats where when it rains, you've got this reflection across an entire field like this. Karaoke over here. All right, let's get back on the road. We're almost there. It's not too far, but this is a nice find for sure. We're almost to Loboc. 20 minutes. Hey! Hello! Kamusta? Where am I going? I'm going to Loboc. Yeah, but this is beautiful, so I just stopped here to film it.
Beautiful place.
Yeah, look at it. It's beautiful.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Vlogger?
Yeah. You want the channel? Yeah. It's I usually do YouTube, mostly YouTube. Just had to stop and film this. Do you have any peanuts here?
Peanuts? No peanuts here?
No peanuts? Oh.
Jonathan?
Yeah, that's my name, Jonathan.
Where are
Yeah.
you from?
Sorry?
Where are you from?
United States? Yeah, but I live here now.
Ah, you live here?
Yeah, in the Philippines.
How many months?
3.
You have a girlfriend here?
No. No. I'm
You find here in Philippines a girlfriend?
Do you know someone? I don't know. I'm looking. Yeah, I'm looking. Maybe somewhere. I don't know.
Did you?
Okay, all right, awesome. Sounds good. All right, ayo. I'm Ping. Nice to meet you. Hello. Hi. Hi. How cool is this? It feels like, I mean, you can see from the outside, we're on stilts right now. This is awesome. Hold on, I want to check out outside. This is awesome. This is so cool. I had no idea it was like this. I saw it online, but I didn't, I don't know, I guess I didn't look through the photos enough. I had no idea it was gonna be like this. This exceeds my, this wasn't at all what I expected, but it feels very rustic. It's essentially, you've got a cabin, a hut on stilts in the marshes. This isn't gonna be a hotel reviewing channel because the last video I posted is actually the same thing, but I still want to show you around. Butterflies, which is good. Phone for calling. Bed for sleeping. I have no use for this. I'm so excited right now. What else do we got? Yeah, bum gun. Nice. And the jungle is right out there. We have more to see. But I'm happy with this. I'm really happy. I feel that this hat is appropriate for this location. Let's do a quick tour. This is a tour for me as well. This is so cool. And we're right on the river. Are there crocodiles? That's someone's house. Do you have crocodiles here? Because this looks like crocodile territory. That's the river. Wow. There are several properties right on the water. This is one of them, obviously. I looked at a couple other spots that were not available, so they fill up fast. You want to book them in advance. I booked this today, and we're right on the water. I just tried this banana, this cooked banana or plantain, I don't know. It was sweet. That was really good. That was delicious. I'm gonna go back and eat more of that and show you what that is. I don't really know what it was. This is crocodile country though. It's gotta be, right? Look at this. This is beautiful. This is incredible. I think you can go paddleboarding down here, which I'm definitely going to do, depending on croc status. I mean, I already tried this actually, so this isn't my reaction. It's delicious. Wow. I don't do the exaggerated food reaction things. I don't like doing that stuff. That's not me, but this is really good. Oh, we have a pool. How do I get down there? Oh, this way. Okay. All right, thank you. Salamat. I think left. Okay, thank you. It's called Loboc River Resort. Be careful, because there are two places. There's one called Loboc Cool River Resort, and then this place is called Loboc River Resort. Look at this pool. Ooh, this place is awesome. What's that over there? Lounging chairs, sitting chair. Why is no one in the pool? Must not have cool guests. This is definitely croc country over here. Oh, these are more rooms. I've never stayed in anywhere quite like this. I don't really know how to explain this unless you just have to, well, I've already shown it to you. So this just seems to be more rooms. If you want the beach and you want to do the island hopping tours, definitely stay in Alona Beach, and that's where the bars and the nightlife and the restaurants are. Definitely recommend that. That's where I've been for a month. But if you want to come do the Chocolate Hills and the Tarsiers and everything, this is much closer. So it's either in this video, I don't know how long this video is going to be, but either this video or the next one, I'll head up and do Tarsiers and the Chocolate Hills from here tomorrow. Obviously, I've decided on a part 1 and a part 2 for this video. Be sure to follow along for part 2. Here are a couple other videos from my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.